You know, one of the things that I love about my, being brought up in New Zealand, but in the Samoan way is, like I talked before, was the difference, the comparisons of the cultures. And the one thing that I learned growing up is that, just the difference in, especially the Palangi culture. Because in the Palangi culture, Palangi people, when they have family gatherings, they like to give, you hear Palangis, they like to give compliments. They like to say nice things about each other. Our family say, maybe someone from the Palangi family will come to their house, brand new dress. You will hear Palangi person from the family say, wow, look at you. OMG, you look amazing. Oh, you look so stunning in that dress. That dress looks like it was made just for you. Wow, come inside and have something to eat. Come and have some grapes and some crackers. Or maybe someone else in the Palangi family will come and lost heaps of weight. Then you hear someone from their family say, oh, wow, look at, oh, that's amazing how much weight you've lost. You look spectacular. Oh, I wish I looked as good as you. Come inside and have some hummus and some lettuce. Or maybe someone else in the Palangi family will come in a brand new car. And then everyone will go outside and take photos with their phone and stuff. Someone in the family will say something like, oh, I can't believe, look how wonderful you've been doing in your job. You've been climbing the ladder. And look how nice. This way you're such an inspiration for the young people in our family. Oh, please, just come inside and have some other Palangi food. I don't know too much about Palangi food. But come inside, And that's the way Palangis are. I think, man, that's really nice. Because I come from a Samoan family. And our Samoan families, when we have family gatherings, we don't give compliments. We give jokes. The only problem with our jokes is it hurts. No one never let nobody out. Like in our Samoan family, if someone had come with a brand new dress, someone in our family would say something like, whoa, hey, is that a new dress? I said, yeah. You look good, man. But don't sit down just in case the bottom is pop. Come inside and have some pee and or maybe someone else in our Samoan family will come that, lost heaps of weight. Our Samoans will be like, oh, wow. Fine. Oh, man, you lost heaps of weight. Ah, no. Are you sick? Come inside and have a little while. Or maybe someone else in our family will come in a brand new car. All our family will go outside and just look because we can't take photos and everything for you. And then someone in the family say, oh, man, what a cool car. Where'd you steal that from? That's what I love about, being Samoan. You always joke, I can smell the food now. And you guys enjoying your food?